Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Facebook no sound. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, let's try to go ahead and find some videos, okay? Now, for example, right here, you can go ahead and tap on this mute button, and then you'll be able to hear some sound, okay? If not, you can just open it up, and then a sound will play. Now, if that's not the case, maybe you have a mute button right here, especially for iOS, okay? At the top left, you'll have that little button, which you can go ahead and switch, okay? Make sure that that one is switched to the right angle. Test it out. Now, if that still will work, maybe at least use the volume buttons beside your phone, okay? And check if it works. Now, if that still will work, well, go ahead and go to the top right here. Make sure that Do Not Disturb is disabled, as well as focus mode if you have it right here. So disable focus mode. Also, when you have Bluetooth enabled, okay, maybe you have connected your specific phone to a Bluetooth headset. Well, try to disable Bluetooth and audio will play normally on your Facebook app using your phone speaker. All right, now if that still won't work, maybe the app needs an update. Go ahead over to your Play Store or App Store and just find Facebook, just like so. Tap on update if there's an update button. And once done, open it up and you should be good to go. That's how to fix Facebook no sound. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.